get a bag in, get the bag in, no distractions, yeah, I do. I want a mansion on the hillside with a bird's eye view. I get a bag in, get the bag in, no distractions, yeah, I do. I want a mansion on the hillside with a bird's eye view. I'm in such change, I ain't never gonna talk to the old me. I'm elevated, the way the situations in my life don't mold me. The reason I'm low-key, I ain't never gonna be king to my brother. I show him the love and I'm able. I put him on games so we can all eat at the table. I had these sleepless nights just to get right here, right here. They want me to drown, but a young nigga really gon' swim, splash. I'm tryna get flags, we aiming for rags. We watching our backs, they never gon' last. There's pressure on blacks and black killing blacks. They made us hate each other. I get a bag in, get the bag in, no distractions, yeah I do. I want a mansion on the hillside with a bird's eye view. I get a bag in, get the bag in, no distractions, yeah I do. I want a mansion on the hillside with a bird's eye view. Motivation, I don't wanna see my king starve. We raising the bar, cause we know who we are. We making the hits in the car, knowing I'ma go far. Realize I'm a star, they don't want me to be great. NBA hate is all the race, I'm raising myself. I got no finish and get out of reach. Elevated, practicing what I preach. I had to go and go stack it again. I made a move, I made that elite. Burn could be normal speed. Look at me, dog, we out of the streets. All of my songs had it overseas. I had to go and make a little reach, yeah. I get a bag in, get the bag in, no distractions, yeah I do. I want a mansion on the